We live in a remarkable time, a time where technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the world around us in ways we could have never imagined. It's like having a powerful new tool in our creative arsenal, one that can transform our ideas into reality. AI can help us write stories, generate new concepts, and even assist in editing. It can create art, design intricate graphics, and even code complex programs. These tools aren't just for tech wizards, they are for everyone, from students to professionals. Whether you're a writer, an artist, or just someone who loves to explore new ideas, AI has something to offer you. AI can help you unlock your creative potential, pushing the boundaries of what you thought was possible. The future is here, and it's brimming with creative possibilities, waiting for you to explore. Let's dive in and explore this exciting world together, embracing the endless opportunities AI brings. Imagine having a brainstorming partner available 24/7, always ready to help you refine your ideas. Imagine having a tool that can help you visualize your wildest dreams, turning abstract thoughts into tangible creations. That's the power of AI, a tool that is revolutionizing creativity and innovation. Meet ChatGPT, your friendly AI writing assistant. It's like having a personal writing coach right at your fingertips. Need help writing a story, essay, or even a poem? ChatGPT can assist you with all kinds of writing tasks, big or small. ChatGPT is here to help. Whether you're stuck on a sentence or need inspiration for an entire piece, it's got you covered. Just give ChatGPT a prompt and watch it go. It can generate content quickly and efficiently, saving you time and effort. You can ask it to write in different styles, from factual to funny. Want a serious tone or something lighthearted? ChatGPT can do it all. You can even ask it to write code in different programming languages. It's not just for writers, it's a tool for coders too. For example, you could say, ChatGPT, write a short story about a cat who goes on an adventure. The possibilities are endless. ChatGPT will generate a unique and entertaining story based on your prompt. You'll be amazed at how creative it can be. It's like magic, but it's real. The power of AI is at your service, making writing more enjoyable and less stressful. ChatGPT is an amazing tool for anyone who wants to write better or just have some fun with words. Give it a try and see how it can transform your writing experience. Claude AI is another AI tool that's great with words. Like ChatGPT, Claude AI can help you write different kinds of text formats. It can even help you translate languages. But Claude AI has another trick up its sleeve: coding. That's right, Claude AI can help you write computer code in different programming languages. Imagine you're building a website but get stuck on a piece of code. Claude AI can help you find a solution. With its language and coding skills, Claude AI is a powerful tool for anyone who works with text or technology. Have you ever wanted to paint a picture but didn't have a paintbrush? Now you can, using only words. Midjourney is an AI tool that lets you create amazing images from text descriptions. Just type in what you imagine, like a magical forest with glowing mushrooms and a talking squirrel. Midjourney will then generate a stunning image based on your description. You can even specify the art style, like realistic painting or photographic. Midjourney is a fantastic tool for artists, designers, and anyone who wants to bring their imagination to life. Need an image quickly? Bing Image Creator is here to help. Like Midjourney, Bing Image Creator lets you generate images from text prompts. What sets Bing Image Creator apart is its speed and ease of use. You can create high-quality images in seconds, perfect for presentations, social media, or just for fun. Imagine you need an illustration for a school project about the solar system. Just type planets orbiting the sun into Bing Image Creator, and voila, you'll have a beautiful image ready to use. Bing Image Creator is a convenient tool for anyone who needs to create visuals quickly and easily. We've explored some amazing AI tools today, diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. We've seen how AI can help us write compelling stories, code complex programs, and even create stunning pieces of art. These tools are not here to replace human creativity. but to complement and expand it. They are here to enhance it, providing us with new ways to bring our ideas to life. They give us more power to express ourselves and explore new ideas, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. AI is a powerful tool, but it's up to us to use it responsibly and ethically, ensuring it benefits everyone. As we embrace these new technologies, let's use them to make the world a more creative and imaginative place, filled with innovation and wonder. So go ahead, explore these AI tools, dive deep into their capabilities, experiment, have fun, let your imagination run wild. You might be surprised at what you can create, discovering new talents and passions along the way. The future of creativity is in your hands, and with AI, the possibilities are truly endless.